A machine fills 340 water bottles in 40 minutes. At this rate, how many minutes does it take to fill 255 bottles? Before we do any math, we can actually use all of the information we have here to use process of elimination and find our correct answer. We know that it takes 40 minutes to fill 340 bottles. 255 is less than 340, so that means the time should also be less than 40, meaning C cannot be the correct answer because 45 is greater than 40. If we were to take the number of bottles and the amount of time it takes and divide them both by 2, we would find the amount of bottles we can make in 20 minutes. 170 is not equal to 255, so A must be incorrect. D is also incorrect because if we were to divide these both again by 2, we would continue to get a smaller number than 255, so D cannot be correct. So by process of elimination, B is your correct answer, and you can mark it and move on with the rest of your test from there, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to go back and show you how to solve this problem. Let's start by finding our unit rate, or how long it takes, how many bottles we can make in every 1 minute. And to do that, we'll need to divide 340 by 40. Let's start by canceling out these zeros so that we have a little bit of an easier division problem. 4 goes into 34 8 times. When you subtract, you're left with 2. 4 cannot go into 2, so we need to add a decimal, add a 0, and bring it down. 4 goes into 20 5 times evenly with no remainder, making 8.5 the number of bottles we can make in every 1 minute. So now we can set up another proportional ratio. If we can make 8.5 bottles in every 1 minute, how long will it take us to make 255 bottles? And now we can cross multiply. 255 is equal to 8.5x. 8.5 is being multiplied to x, so we need to do the opposite and divide both sides by 8.5. These will cancel, and x is going to equal 255 divided by 8.5. For this division, I would recommend using estimation, so let's round 8.5. You can round it up to 9, or you could round it down to 8. In this case, I'm going to round it down to 8. 8 goes into 25 3 times. 8 times 3 is 24. We would subtract. 8 goes into 15 1 time. So we know, without doing any more math, we know that our answer must be somewhere around 31. And the only answer that is close to 31 is answer choice B, 30 minutes, which is our correct answer.